Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present for sale this white SZT 1.6 diesel Vitara. This car is only £20 a year to tax and is in excellent condition both inside and out. It's also finished with the urban pack, so the chrome strips around the outside of the car along with the spoiler. Inside the car, the seats and upholstery are in excellent condition. The SZT model comes with sat-nav, Bluetooth, cruise control and smartphone projection. Moving into the rear of the car, as you can see, good storage, good space in the rear for legroom rear passengers. The SZT also comes with a reversing camera, and any car sold by Luscombe Suzuki would come with a 12-month MOT and a service before leaving.